Hello everybody, Belle here, and today I'm going to show you my squishy collection. It's not about this drawer intro. Sorry about that. Not about this drawer intro. I'm going to show you my squishy collection. So here's the box of squishy I have. Only 2. That's very sad. But I'm going to get more soon, I think. Okay, so recording area. Okay, so in the basket, this basket, there is only 2 squishies. I'm so sad. 2 squishies only. So yeah, my recent squishy. This is the bun thing. What's this called? Smiley face bun from Daiso. Perfect Paris Love gave it to me, so you must subscribe to her. You must subscribe to her. I actually traded for her. Not really traded. She gave this to me for free, so I'm going to trade for her soon. So yeah, I'm going to make a video on what she gave me. So that's the first squishy. This is my second ever squishy I have. Why I say second? Because the first squishy, which is a donut squishy, I lost it. It's kind of waste of money. But at least I got this one. So cute. So weird. Some people, like, I watched some of their videos, they say this is like a stress ball material, but it's not actually. It's like, you're supposed to squish it here. Just brag, guys. I'm not boasting or anything. Just gonna open it for you. I don't have to take it off of the packaging because the packaging looks so cute. I like the packaging. I wish I could keep. Oh yeah, I am keeping the packaging. Wow, look at this. So let me just focus. Defects over here, like a lot of defects, but I don't really mind. Not as much defects as my little sister's one. My little sister's one, the tail dropped off, and like wherever you go, there's like total defects. Like, yeah. So this is mine, and it's so adorable because I don't usually squish it. That's the reason. So yeah, that's actually all for my squishy collection. I'll just call this a mini squishy. Oh my gosh, the thing dropped. The thing dropped. Serious. You're not joking, right? Oh my goodness. Yeah, who cares? I'm just gonna put it back. So yeah, that's all for my squishy collection. I hope you enjoyed my squishy collection. I only have these 2 squishies, so yeah. Sorry about that. I'm Bowen. Oh yeah, subscribe to Perfect Paris Love. Must subscribe to Perfect Paris Love. Okay? So, if you like this video, like this video. Okay, bye-bye.